As you can see around me, I'm not on the River Nen anymore. I'm on one of my adventures. I'm here just south of the Arctic Circle in Iceland. Upon hearing that another volcano was erupting in Iceland, I packed my bags and booked a last-minute flight to the land of fire and ice. Dreaming of volcanoes, after 3 hours flight, I was in my hire car and on my way to Litlifhutla, the newest volcano in Iceland. There's an erupting volcano, and this is something I've always wanted to see. It's one of those bucket list places, and I'm heading for it. I'm on the trail to the active volcano. It's amazing to be here in Iceland. Absolutely brilliant. I've only been here 2 or 3 hours. I've just literally got off the plane, drove to the site, and I'm starting my walk. But it's going to be amazing. Now, a little bit of history about Iceland. Iceland is on the mid-Atlantic ridge, and that means it's one of the most volcanic islands in the world. And they've got active volcanoes in the hundreds here in Iceland. But I'm going to see a very special one, which is active at the moment. It started off as a fissure, and a fissure is a rip in the ground. So imagine a great big crack in the ground and the lava coming through. That's what a fissure is. So I'm going to go and see the volcano that has developed from this fissure. But what we're also going to pass are some lava fields, because in 2021, the first eruption started, the first fissure cracked open and a new volcano was formed. And then in 2022, the same thing happened again. A fissure opened up and a new volcano was formed. And now in 2023, it has happened again. And I think this is Iceland's most active period of volcanic activity for about 4,000 years on the Reykjanes Peninsula, which is where I am. It's quite a trek to get to the volcanoes, but I'm going to show you some interesting things along the way. It's about 10 kilometers hike, and I'm only a kilometer in, so bear with me. But the scenery is breathtaking. All this is old lava fields, and it's just incredible. Absolutely amazing. And the weather's on my side. I've actually got the sun shining. It's warm. Should it be like that in Iceland? I don't know. The floor is lava. It literally is. But the floor literally is lava. Ta-da! The floor is lava. Out of breath, and I'm not even halfway, but I just cannot believe what I'm seeing. I mean, this lava field behind me is just amazing. This is the result of the first volcano. Look at my hair. Oh, I'm just having the time of my life. It's so cool.
The views en route to the volcano were absolutely spectacular. You could see the path on the left there, heading off into the distance. I still had miles to go, but look at this huge, vast expanse of lava field. It was really something else to behold. And it's this that makes Iceland's landscape so unique.
I think I'm about 2 kilometers away from the volcano now, but this is absolutely mad. I mean, it's just amazing just trekking and hiking here in Iceland. I never ever thought I'd be here. It's just incredible.
I simply cannot put into words the emotions and the feelings that I had as soon as I saw my first glimpse of the volcano.
This is the edge of the lava field, and as you can see, it's stacked up quite high, but it's still very, very hot. I mean, I'm standing about 2 meters away from the lava, and it's like standing next to an open fire. It's really, really warm, and this isn't even the hot, burning red lava. This is solidified rock. It's basalt rock. Like I said, the lava is made out of a basalt rock like this, and it's very lightweight. It's very sharp as well, but it's very light. And that is a piece of lava. So that's a piece of lava, a piece of molten rock that's come up from the Earth's mantle, and it's about 2 weeks old. That's incredible to think about that. It's really warm actually. I'm going to have to walk away from this.
It was about 10:30 at night, and I was thinking about finding a place to settle down for the evening, for the midnight sun, and to experience the volcano in all its glory at night time. And Litlihurta did not disappoint. This was the best nature's fireworks show that I had ever seen. Thousands and thousands of tons of molten rock and lava were spewing and erupting from the volcano cone. This was unlike anything I had ever seen before, and unlikely to see it ever again. As I stayed by the volcano for the whole of the night, the heat from the volcano was intense, but somehow comforting. It was keeping me warm. Hearing the constant rhythmic rumbling was enough to send me to sleep. The sights and the sounds of the volcano and the lava fields was a feast for the senses, and I was just on cloud nine. I had never seen or experienced anything like this before. The lava was relentless, slowly creeping its way across the landscape, devouring everything in sight. It's so humbling to think that this molten rock coming from the mantle of the earth, the middle of the earth, was going to set and then become rock that was going to be there for millions and millions of years, way beyond my lifetime. This was an incredible, once-in-a-lifetime experience that I will cherish and never ever forget for the rest of my life. So thank you, Little Herta, and thank you, Iceland.